Sunday, January 19, 4:51. Mic test, sound test. Tingnan natin kung okay. How are you? How are you doing? How's the background noise? We'll check later. I don't know. Okay. It's been a while. Um, is this rant? I don't know. It could be 2024 in review. Time is a very finite but timeless resource. It's a rare commodity, but it's everywhere. Time can sometimes be a conundrum, but it's very simple. If you invest it, it grows in a way. It grows into an objective that you have, a goal that you have. It transmutes itself. Time invested transmute. Time wasted, time wasted is time wasted. But if you slow it down, if you stretch the time wasted, it becomes lessons. It's weird. Time. Sometimes it could be on your side, or time can be against you. So I think the lesser time would have any threat to you depends on how much you have invested your time. Does that make sense? Time cannot be your enemy if you had shown it respect and you have invested in it very wisely. Could be early on, could be later, I don't know. Depends. We all don't have the same relationship with time. Some people have the luxury of time. Some people have some people have the fleeting nature of time. Some people have the nightmare of regrets for a lifetime. It's weird. So time could be an enemy, time could be your best friend. Time, an immense number of times, something we can't even wrap around our minds on. like values that we can't understand the concept of, let's say, 300,000 years. How fucking long is 300,000 years? But we can encapsulate that in a word. We can encapsulate that in a moment, in a memory, or a nightmare. So I think the binary nature of nature itself applies to everything. There's always two things on both sides of the center. You. So it's good, it's bad, it's right, no, I'm sorry, left and right. So maybe it's a good thing to make time your friend or have a good relationship with time. You can extend the moments. You can have an opportunity to change. You can have an opportunity to emancipate yourself from whatever prison you have created. You can use time just about any. You can use time on just about anything. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that nice? But time can only buy with time. There's no other way to buy time. There's no other way to buy time. The time in between breaths can be so sweet as a memory that you hold close to your heart. How many of those do you have? Good afternoon. Have a beautiful day.